Hello dear students, a very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to complete lesson number 4 of EVS, that is our clothes. Yesterday we read 2 pages of it, that is 30 and 31. Today we are going to complete this chapter. First of all, mention here date and day of today. Okay, let us start reading. We wear woolen clothes in winters. These clothes keep us warm. We get wool from some animals like sheep. Wool is used for knitting sweaters, caps, socks, and other woolen clothes. People living in very cold places wear fur and leather clothes. When animals die of old age, their skin is used for making fur and leather goods. We should never hunt animals for their skin. Let's come on the next page. We wear plastic clothes in rainy season. These clothes are made of plastic or rubber. Thus, people wear clothes as per weather and seasons. Do you know? We also wear silk clothes. We get silk from silkworm. Clothes from man-made fiber are called synthetic clothes. Okay students, let us start to understand these 2 pages. Okay. Yesterday we read about the clothes that we have to wear clothes to cover our body. Second important point was clothes protect us from heat, rain, cold and wind. And the third important point yesterday we read, it keep us safe from dust and dirt. Yesterday we also read about the clothes we wear in summer season. Today we are going to read about clothes we wear in winter seasons or rainy seasons. Look at the picture. What you can see? Here are lots of ice, hot tea or coffee, woolen caps, boots, sweaters. ठीक है, these two kids wear all the woolen clothes. Means here is winter season. Let us reading. We wear woolen clothes in winter. We wear woolen clothes in winter season. These clothes keep us warm. These clothes help us to keep us hot or warm. We don't feel any cold or breezy when we wear woolen clothes in winters. We get wool from some animals like sheep. The wool from which our sweaters are made, okay, this wool we get from sheep. Okay, wool is used for knitting sweater. What do you mean by knitting? Knitting means bunna, sweaters. Wool is used for knitting sweaters, caps, socks and other woolen clothes. Wool is used for knitting different type of clothes. For example, sweaters, caps, mufflers, socks, gloves. These all are made up of wool. Okay. People living in very cold places wear fur and leather clothes. The places where lots of ice and lots of cold, there people wear fur clothes. What do you mean by fur? The fur is very soft thing which we get from animal skin. Okay, फर जो होती है वो बहुत सॉफ्ट होती है और वो हमें एनिमल स्किन से मिलती है. एंड लेदर ऑल्सो वी गेट फ्रॉम एनिमल्स. लेदर भी जो है वो एक प्रोडक्ट है जो एनिमल की स्किन से ही बनाया जाता है. When animals die of old age, their skin is used for making fur and leather goods. When animals getting too much old and they died, we used that dead skin of that animal and make fur from it and leather from it. कि जब कोई भी एनिमल बहुत ज़्यादा ओल्ड होके जब उसकी डेथ हो जाती है, तब हम उस एनिमल की स्किन यूज़ करते हैं फर और लेदर बनाने के लिए. बट देयर आर बैड पीपल ऑल्सो, दे ऑल्सो हंट एनिमल्स. हंट मीन्स kill animals. Some people kill animals for their skin. It is not a good thing. We have to stop it. Okay, come on, next page. Here we read about rainy season. Look at the picture. There are two boys. They wear raincoats, having gum boots or rubber boots in their feet, or dark clouds, lots of rain is coming. They have umbrella also. Okay, there this picture show us about rainy season. Now let us talk about the clothes we wear in rainy season. We wear plastic clothes in rainy season. We prefer to wear plastic made clothes in rainy season. Why we prefer plastic clothes? Because on plastic water does not stop or slip away. These clothes are made of plastic and rubber. These clothes are made up of two things. It may be plastic or it may be rubber. प्लास्टिक और रबर के ही हम बने क्लोथ्स क्यों डालते हैं? क्योंकि प्लास्टिक और रबर एक ऐसा मटेरियल है जो पानी को सोक नहीं करता, वो पानी को स्लिप करके ऊपर से जाने देता है. Thus people wear clothes as per weather and season. This point we already read yesterday, that people wear clothes according to changing weathers or changing seasons. For example, in winters we wear woolen clothes, in summer we wear cotton clothes, in rainy season we wear clothes that was made up of plastic or rubber. Here are two important points you have to learn. आपको ये दो points बहुत अच्छे से learn करने हैं. What are these? First point is, we also wear silk clothes. We get silk from silkworm. We also prefer to wear silk clothes, and silk we get from silkworm. Look at the picture. Here is an insect. This insect gives us silk. Look at the picture. It made like this, a bundle of silk. From this bundle we get proper silk thread, and this thread help us to make silk clothes. And second point is, clothes from man-made fiber are called synthetic clothes, and the clothes which were made by man himself, these type of clothes we called synthetic clothes. The thread which we get from silkworm, the product is known as silk, and the product made by man we can call it synthetic clothes. Okay students, today we complete our chapter. You have to do two more things. Yesterday you you encircle the clothes which you see around you, people wearing it. Today you have to do these two things. First one is this: draw the picture of winter clothes and write their names. You have to draw here the picture of that clothes which we wear in winter season. For example, cap, gloves, okay, socks. These are winter clothes or woolen clothes. And the second work you have to done is this: draw the picture of plastic clothes and write their names. You have to draw here the pictures of plastic clothes which you prefer to wear during rainy season. Okay students, these are the two works you have to done, and send pictures of it to me so that I can check it. Okay students, thank you so much.